Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from Gohacademy. In this video, I want to share with you the new format of the Gohacademy workshops. If you've been to the website recently, you've seen all these new classes come out, and they're different than what we've been doing traditionally. Traditionally, we've had a 3-day class webinar, and what we're doing is we're changing it into a 30-day, 9-hour self-paced workshop. And how this is going to work is that the 9 hours are going to be based off of the same content we would do during a regular class webinar. It's going to use the same packet material. It's still going to be online. But what we found from feedback from teachers is that 3-day format, the content is really squeezed in. We're just fitting in so much content over the 9 hours in 3 days. I mean, some of the sessions are 5 hours long. It's just too much, too fast. And the feeling of live kind of fades after hour 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. If you've been to these classes, you know it's very hard to sustain the learning at hour 4 and 5. And then the 7-day format for a lot of teachers, they're not testing within 7 days. They're testing, 3 or 4 or 5 weeks after the class. So this new format is going to include the same content, use the same type of packets, it's still going to be online. It's going to actually include more content. It's going to give teachers the ability to go through the content over 30 days. So you have up to 30 days to go through it. Some teachers might just want to do it in 3 days and zip through the information. Other teachers might want that extra time to go back and work on the videos at their own pace and go through the commentary at their own pace. It's much more flexible, and it will give teachers a lot more content, more time, and their own pace to work through the material. So I hope you check these new classes out, team. And also, there's a summer special going on. So if you register now up till the beginning of the summer, there's a 50% credit on all the classes. So this is the big summer special, team. So if you need to sign up for any of these classes over the summer, now is a very good time to check those out. And the deadline for that is July 1st. So it's the end of the school year summer special. Check it out, team, okay? All right, if you have any questions on the new classes, please give me a call or let me know. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care, team.